Okay everybody, today I got a quick unboxing and some thoughts about this Razer headset. It's the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro 2020 edition. So it is a wireless headset with a mic and a wireless dongle. So let's do the fix unboxing. And we can see what's in the box. So there is the main unit, the headphones, with a, how I think, good looking knob for the volume buttons, small Razer logo there. The cushions are soft and from fabric. Then we got the wireless dongle, the microphone with a nice form, and then a wired cable for if you want to use the headphones with wired and not wireless, and a charging port. And there are some nice notes that Razer puts every time in there, some Razer currency stuff and the paperwork. Nobody cares about that. Nice packaging. The headphones itself are almost the same. They are all the same as like the BlackShark V2, if you're familiar with them. The wearing comfort is almost the same, but it's about 90 grams heavier and it pushes a little more on your head. If you have a small head, if you got a big head, you can adjust these things like so, and the tension is not that much anymore. But notice if you got the wired version of this, the BlackShark V2s, these are less comfortable than the wired ones. The microphone is getting attached somewhere here. Yes, there it is, and it's quite flexible. The wireless dongle is too nice, and the connection is average, I would say. My biggest issue with these headphones are that it uses micro USB for charging. It's a very nice micro USB cable, but come on, it's a headphone from 2020. We need USB-C. The new ones, the 2023, has USB-C. And another minor downside, but it's a downside, this crap is the bag for the transportation. If you want to take your headphones somewhere with you, if you're traveling or having a LAN party or something, you're getting only this crappy thin bag. And I don't know, the original price on these are 29 euros here in Europe. I bought it for 100 euros on a discount, but still for over 200 euros, $200 headphones with such a bag, it's pathetic. Yes. Otherwise, the headphones are really nice. They sound good. They have a nice bass, and I would say if you're thinking about to switch from the same headphones or other wired headphones, you know, the sound is better, but the other thing you need to know is that the mic is crap. It's not good, it's not worse, it's better. Others say it's better than some other wireless headphones. They are way expensive than this, but there are cheap ones that are better. And you get better mic sound when you plug it in with the cable, but then you lose some sound quality. Yes, that's it. That's all my thoughts on this thing. I think if you get it for $100 or €100, it's worth it. If you need to pay 150 or 100, I don't know, 80, then don't get this one. Get the 2023 because it got USB-C, way better microphone, and about 3 times more runtime with the charge. These go for 24 hours about, the new ones are 70 hours. Okay, thank you very much.